Best pizza diet. Try fat-burning pizza diet now. Have you tried the best diet pizza for weight loss? Many people try to find ways to lose weight without losing the foods they love. There is a lot to know about pizza lovers who follow the current pizza diet because they do not want to be dissatisfied with these diets that do not allow them to eat their favorite foods such as pizza. What is a pizza diet? This unique diet contains a mixture of healthy foods such as vegetables, meat, and carbohydrates. Yes, it's about 1,200 calories, but it's enough to get you today. Women can eat a 10-inch pizza with this diet, while men can eat a 12-inch pizza. During the day, you should also eat kiwi, banana, apples, oranges, a little salad, large tomatoes, and onions. What should I add to this diet? First of all, you can just make a great salad with all this stuff. Then add some tablespoons of olive oil or virgin pressed oil in the form of vinegar sauce. The only thing you can drink with this diet is water and coffee. If desired, you can add salt and pepper to your food to improve the taste. What not to do with this diet? Don't eat all the pizza at once. You can speed up fat burning by splitting your food into several small meals. Try not to eat more than 2 medium slices per serving. Enjoy plenty of water. Drink plenty of fresh or distilled water daily during each diet. Water helps digest food faster and reduces appetite. However, make sure that it does not touch the water. What is the best pizza diet? Many people choose a pizza diet because they love pizza. There are many different diets a person can choose from, but the problem is that it is very difficult to find a diet that allows him to include his favorite foods in the mix. If you are a fan of pizza, this diet should help you. Tell me about this special diet. Of course, pizza is the staple food that you will eat every day. There are only 2 meals a day. A pizza slice is served with every meal. You only eat 1 slice per serving because the goal is to eat fewer calories, or at least enough to lose weight. Eating in portions is the key to making this diet suit you. What kind of pizza to eat? Now we definitely know different types of pizza, such as homemade pizza, Pizza Hut, frozen food, John's Parents, etc. You can eat any of these types of pizza except bread. During this diet, you should not eat slices of cheese or meat like hot dogs or hot peppers. However, you can eat cheese pizza, but there is no extra cheese. Other items that you should include in the pizza are vegetables like tomatoes, black olives, mushrooms, peppers, etc. Would you please me? You can also eat fruits and vegetables with this diet until you feel satisfied. Banana is not a good choice because it has more calories than other fruits. Eat a large salad with raw vegetable pizza and use olive oil for vinegar sauce. If 2 slices of pizza a day aren't enough for you, then this diet isn't right for you. I have tried this diet once and it cannot last long because it was not full and it was only boring eating a quantity of fruits and vegetables. That's why I found a better diet that allowed me to eat more of my favorite foods while achieving my goals. More quickly. Can you also lose weight quickly by eating your favorite foods and still safely lose 7 to 10 pounds per week without any side effects? In today's world of endless diets and many angles to cut calories and fat, there seems to be one thing that stands out despite our intention to eat well. We want to lose weight, but we don't want to do without one of the most popular foods. Pizza pie. Yes, that's right, we want great nutrition, but the idea of giving up our endless passion for the famous pizza is out of the question. We will try whole wheat pizza, dried tomato pizza, roast chicken pizza, not to skip the last descriptive word, pizza. Diluted pizza is better than pizza. Any form of pizza.